Are you looking to improve your golf game? This is an affordable mobile launch monitor. This pairs with your iOS camera and radar processing to give precise measurements on every swing. It actually measures up to 11 core golf metrics. It's compatible with a golf net, or you can use it at the range, indoor or outdoor use. You can use your own balls, or you can buy the Titleist RCT golf balls. This would add spin measurement. Look how small this is. It fits in your pocket. It's the size of your hand. You just place your phone in that little triangular spot there, and it will record all of your swings. It tracks your ball. You can keep track of all your distances, carry all of that for each club that you have in your bag to kind of help with your golf game. I like the active shot tracer, but you can do instant video replay. You can go back and watch all of your swings, see what you're doing right or wrong in each of your clubs. There are some games also in this app that you can use, like closest to the pin, things like that. It measures your carry distance, total distance, ball speed, club speed, launch angle, launch direction, smash factor, side carry, apex, and shot type.